Have you ever wondered how our universe will end? Will it burn in fire or freeze into nothingness? Today we will time travel into the distant future to witness the death of stars, black holes, and even time itself. The story of the universe is not just about its birth but also its death. Let's find out what the very last chapter of existence looks like. The universe feels eternal. Stars shine every night. Galaxies stretch across the sky. And life thrives on Earth. But nothing lasts forever. One day, our sun, the stars, and even the galaxies themselves will die. What comes after that? Let's explore the incredible journey from now to the very end of time. The near future. Right now we live in what scientists call the Anthropocene era, an age shaped by humans. But Earth is always changing. Magnetic poles flip, asteroids pass dangerously close, ice melts, seas rise, and continents shift. Over thousands of years, even our monuments, footprints, and cities will vanish. The death of the sun. In about 5 billion years, the sun will run out of fuel. It will expand into a red giant, swelling Mercury and Venus. Earth too may be destroyed. After this violent phase, the sun will shrink into a white dwarf, a teeny glowing ember of what it once was. That is the fate of all stars. They shine for billions of years, but must eventually die. The era of darkness. When stars stop forming, the universe begins to darken. The last red dwarf fades. Galaxies become graveyards of dead stars and black holes. White dwarf cool and turn into black dwarf. Cold, invisible corpse of a star. Life, if it survives at all, may cling to the faint warmth of dying stars, but even that won't last forever. The age of black holes. In the distant future, black holes rules the cosmos. They swallow stars, planets, and even lights. Galaxies are reduced to giant black holes surrounded by smaller ones. Sometimes black holes collide, shaking the universe with powerful gravitational waves like the sound of drums in space. But even black holes are not eternal. Hawking's radiation. Thanks to Stephen Hawking, we know that black holes slowly evaporate. Teeny particles leak out bit by bit over unimaginable time. Black holes shrink and explode in flashes of light. One by one, they vanish, leaving behind only empty space. The dark energy problem. Here is the mystery. The universe is not slowing down, it is expanding faster and faster. This is because of something we call dark energy, a strange force making galaxies race apart. If it continues, the universe will keep expanding forever, growing colder and emptier. If it changes, the universe might collapse in a big crunch or tear itself apart in a big rip. We don't yet know which will happen. The very end, after trillions upon trillions of years, no stars remain, no black holes remain. Even atoms themselves may decay. The universe becomes a cold, silent sea of particles. At this stage, time itself loses meaning. Nothing changes anymore. Nothing ever happens again forever. The story of the universe is vast and dramatic. From fire to light to eternal darkness. And yet, here on earth, we live in the only brief window when stars still shine and life is possible. The universe gives us just a short moment to exist, to think, and to wonder. The real question is, what will we do with our time?